Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We are back. My bad for not uploading for 2 weeks, but if you guys follow the community tab, you guys would know what happened, and it was actually my computer that happened to die on me. So I brought it to the maintenance guys, and they actually found out that it was because my vents were clogged with cat hair, and it was just grounding out and wasn't charging, and all that stuff. It got all jacked up, but we turned it in, they cleaned it up, and the computer is back. So we're back to uploading. Just like to thank you guys for not letting the channel die. We are climbing and we are going. It's cool. It's really awesome. Subscribe if you guys haven't done it yet. And yeah, let's just get to the video. What's up everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are revamping the rear diffuser because I got the new exhaust tip that actually still sits really close to it, and I feel like it'll still melt it. So trying to figure out whether to run that or not. Kind of really want to make a final design, and it would suck if it got melted again, because that means I'd have to come back and do it once again. Not a problem, but I'm really busy and it'd be nice to not rework something again. I really want to wrap this one all carbon fiber. So this is the old panel. Look how bad that melted because the OEM was pointed down at it. And this got a slight bend in it as well. So trying to figure out exactly what to do there. Oh damn, got the Subi. Oh, it's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. I wouldn't mind one of those. But yeah, everything's going good. Let's get to work on this rear diffuser. Hell yeah. As for the underbrace, it is connected to the bottom and riveted to the diffuser and screwed in from here. But I leveled it up a little bit and actually added some riv nuts down there so that I can screw in some legit hardware so it doesn't keep coming undone. Easy fix. Hurt my fingertip earlier. Dang it. Hurts. At least I'm not bleeding. Oh, that doesn't even need to be bolted into the diffuser. It's so solid. Ow. My finger. Again. That's crazy. That's legitimately crazy. Right. That can be fixed though. I just gotta lock it in. All right, we got something going. So I'm gonna grab this side and line it up. I also need to mount up this piece. Yeah, all right. So the issue with the original design is that it wasn't level to the ground. It was actually pointed up from the rear, so that didn't look good. And this is the reason why I've removed my rear diffuser, because it fell down because I didn't have it secured really nicely. So it dropped and was dragging on the earth for a good minute. So we need to figure that out. We're gonna go break this one down, use some pieces from the other side because this side's jacked up and that side's not, and see where we go from there. Fun. All right, got everything on the table. Move these keys on the side. It's a little messy now. We're gonna go drill this out. Make sure you don't drill into your own hand. That would suck. There we go. That's the side I want to use. And we gotta remove this side. Whatever. That side didn't feel like coming off completely, I guess. Alright. So I'm gonna use this on this side. I should just revamp this whole time. But from what I remember, it's not that bad. So now I'm just gonna line this up here and try to get a few holes marked into the side of the diffuser so I know where I'm gonna mount this guy. All right guys, we are building my full rear and it's a long process. I already got a few pieces cut out. I don't want to spend too much time telling you what's going on. So if you guys want to see more videos on this, check out my FK8 full rear diffuser builds. If you guys want to watch this one, just keep watching and I'm gonna time lapse the rest of the process. Well, for now. Let's get it. Time lapse, baby. Really rough. None of them are cleaned up, but I'm pretty sure they're gonna go ahead and line up fairly well. So I'm gonna go put it all together and we're gonna go mount it onto the car. Time lapse again. There we go, we got the sides. Let's go mount it onto the car. Yo, I think we got something here. So, you check that out. Sits real nice. Sits real nice to the inside. Just gotta bolt it up to this. Same thing on this side. Sits a little forward, but you can adjust that. But I kind of like it like that. If I do push it back a little bit, it does cause some flare on the fin. So, when will you ever see the inside of this and the inside of the other side at one time? You never will. So, probably gonna leave that. But as far as it goes, the base of the diffuser is complete and I'm hyped. Look at that CRZ rear end. I just gotta add the center fin, the vertical fin, and I'm debating on putting fins underneath there. I don't think it needs that. So I really like that. And I think they're pretty even for the most part. So let's clean these fins off and probably start wrapping tonight. But I think that's dope. We're gonna close out the video there, but let's go check this out real quick. Let's get it. Alright guys, well that's it for today's video. Hopefully you guys liked it. I know I'm really satisfied with this rear diffuser once again, and I'm super hyped on how sick it came out. So if you guys liked the video, hit that like button, subscribe, because I got way more content coming. I post weekly, don't forget that guys, alright? Come in every Thursday. So hopefully you guys subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.